Sony has long been a dominant force in the camera industry, continuously pushing boundaries with its cutting-edge technology. The excitement around the upcoming Sony A7S IV and Sony A7V is at an all-time high, with rumors and leaks fueling speculation about their anticipated features. Sony registered 2 new camera codes back in December and January, leading to widespread industry speculation that an official announcement could be on the horizon. However, while the A7S IV is expected to arrive soon, the A7V appears to be facing delays, potentially pushing its release to late 2025 or early 2026. Both cameras promise substantial upgrades, and here's everything we know so far. The Sony A7S IV is rumored to be a game-changer for videographers and low-light shooters. Unlike its predecessor, which featured a 12.1-megapixel sensor, the A7S IV is expected to house a new 24-megapixel exmor sensor. While the reported effective resolution may be around 19 megapixels, this adjustment is optimized for superior low-light performance, offering a balance between resolution and enhanced image quality. Given Sony's track record in sensor innovation, this upgrade could lead to improved dynamic range, better noise control, and enhanced image clarity, particularly in dimly lit environments, essential for professional videographers and photographers working in challenging lighting conditions. One of the most exciting rumored features of the A7S IV is its ability to capture 6K video at 60 frames per second. This would be a significant jump from the A7S III, which was limited to 4K resolution. The introduction of 6K recording would offer higher detail and allow for superior downsampling when creating 4K videos. Additionally, the camera is expected to support 4K recording at 120 frames per second in Super 35 mode, providing filmmakers with high-quality slow-motion footage. These upgrades signal Sony's intent to cater to high-end videographers who demand cutting-edge performance in their equipment. Another highlight of the A7S IV is its improved image stabilization system. Rumors suggest Sony is aiming to provide up to 8 stops of in-body image stabilization, which would be a game-changer for handheld shooting. This enhancement would help compensate for camera shake, allowing for smoother video recording and sharper images, even in low-light conditions. Additionally, the camera is expected to feature dual media bays, with one slot offering CF-Express Type A compatibility, enabling faster write speeds essential for handling high-resolution video files without buffer limitations. The implications of these rumored specifications are clear. The A7S IV is shaping up to be a powerhouse for professional videographers, with an emphasis on enhanced video quality and low-light performance. The ability to shoot 6K at 60 frames per second, combined with improved stabilization, suggests that this camera will cater to filmmakers who need reliability and versatility in demanding environments. Moreover, the focus on professional-grade features, such as dual media bays, indicates that Sony is prioritizing efficiency and workflow improvements. While the A7S IV seems poised for an imminent release, the situation surrounding the Sony A7V is more uncertain. Reports indicate that Sony had initially planned to release the camera sooner, but production delays have forced a postponement. Sony executives have acknowledged the company is struggling to keep up with demand for the Sony A7 II, leading to resource allocation challenges. Some sources suggest that the A7V might be unveiled behind closed doors at CP Plus 2025, with a public release expected between November 2025 and early 2026. One of the primary reasons for this delay appears to be supply chain disruptions. According to sources, many Japanese camera manufacturers are shifting production away from China due to increased tariffs on Chinese-made components. Instead, companies are relocating their factories to Vietnam, Thailand, or South Korea, causing logistical hurdles that have delayed new product launches. Sony reportedly stated behind closed doors that the A7V will feature a new sensor and will be an exciting addition to the Alpha lineup, although no further specifications have been confirmed at this time. If the rumors hold true, the A7V is expected to be announced by November 2025, with availability slated for early 2026. However, there is hope that the camera could arrive earlier, possibly before the fall season. Given Sony's history of meaningful upgrades, the A7V is likely to offer notable improvements over its predecessor, making it a compelling choice for hybrid shooters who need a balance between photography and video performance. One of the most intriguing rumors surrounding the A7V is the potential introduction of a stacked 24-megapixel dual-layer sensor. While details remain scarce, this could imply significant improvements in image processing speed and dynamic range. A stacked sensor design allows for faster readout speeds, reducing rolling shutter effects and improving burst shooting performance. If this technology is indeed implemented, the A7V could be positioned as a formidable competitor in the mirrorless camera market, particularly among professionals who require high-performance imaging capabilities. Considering Sony's track record, the A7V is likely to receive advancements in autofocus technology, potentially incorporating AI-driven subject tracking and real-time recognition. Sony's recent cameras have showcased impressive autofocus performance, making them highly reliable for both still photography and video applications. Additionally, improved ergonomics and enhanced connectivity features, such as better wireless transfer speeds or cloud integration, could be part of the A7V's feature set, further increasing its appeal to modern content creators. Ultimately, the upcoming Sony A7S IV and A7V appear to be positioned for different segments of the market. The A7S IV seems tailored for video professionals who require exceptional low-light performance and high-resolution video capabilities, while the A7V might cater to hybrid users who need a versatile camera with strong photography and video features. The delay in the A7V's release may be frustrating for eager buyers, but it also suggests that Sony is taking the necessary steps to ensure that production challenges do not compromise the final product's quality. As anticipation builds, it is clear that Sony's forthcoming cameras will have a significant impact on the industry. The A7S IV's rumored 6K video recording and improved stabilization make it an exciting prospect for filmmakers, while the A7V's expected new sensor technology and potential AI enhancements could make it a top choice for photographers and hybrid shooters. Despite the delays and supply chain uncertainties, these cameras are likely to set new standards for Sony's full-frame mirrorless lineup. The coming months will be crucial in determining whether these rumors materialize, but one thing is certain: Sony enthusiasts have much to look forward to.